Welcome to my tutorials where I like to not play loud, obnoxious music and get right to the point. Here we go. If you're having an issue with these Wi-Fi adapters, these Realtek China-made micro adapters, connecting to your internet, even though it looks like everything's installed properly on your computer, I want to show you what the problem is here. So I'm going to go ahead and install it. I'm going to go ahead and plug it into my computer. And there we go. It's installing automatically in Windows 10 here. Here it is, RTL8191 EU. So that's the dongle. And let's go to my internet. Type in your password here. And yes. And you'll see here there, can't connect to this network, it says right here. So I'm going to help you fix this problem. It's very simple. You want to open up your network settings, so go down here, right click on that, open network settings here, and it'll come up to here in Windows 10. It says we're not connected. Click on Wi-Fi, then go on change adapter options. Then you'll see here's my Wi-Fi. It shows the name of the adapter underneath. Okay, go under properties there, right click properties. Then here you go hit the configure button, and up here you'll see the advanced. Go into there and then go down to wireless mode. Click on that and you'll see here's the setting that goes by default, BGN. I set it to B and G only. Click the OK button. See what happens. So let's go back to the internet here. Let's go back to connections. Go back to here and type in password. Okay. And we're connected. And there you go. So you'll see it's connected there, connected here. Close that. Open up the browser. And we are good to go. Thank you for watching my 2-minute tutorial, which we went overtime on a little bit this time. Give me a thumbs up if this helped you out. Cheers.